by using the formula minus 1 power I plus j. So first row first column for 1 cofactor for 1 we can write it as cofactor for 1. What is that? Minus 1 power first row first column. This is the first row first column into, here you can leave it, I'll tell you later. Similarly cofactor for this one minus 1 power first row second column 1 plus 2, leave it here. Okay, similarly cofactor for this one minus 1 power first row third column, leave it here. Okay, I'll tell you later why I'm leaving here. Okay, next cofactor for second row let me do cofactor for 2 minus 1 power 2 is in second row first column, so leave it. Cofactor for this 2 second row second column, leave it here. What about 3 minus 1 power 3 is in second row third column, leave it here. Okay, next cofactor for this 1 is in third row first column, so minus 1 power third row first column, leave it here. Next cofactor for 4, what about minus 1 power third row second column 3 plus 2, leave it here. Cofactor for 9 third row third column, so minus 1 power 3 plus 3 into, leave it here. So what are we going to fill here in these boxes? So first element, so close first row and first column, 2 9s are 18 minus 4 3s are 12. Okay, next second row second element, so this remove it, 2 9s are 18 minus 3. Next this 2 4s are 8 minus 2. Next this one for 2, what we going to delete it? This one, this row and this column we will delete. 1 9s are 9 minus 4. Okay, next this element, what we need to delete it? The existed row and column, this row and this column. 1 9s are 9 minus 1 1s are 1. Next this one, this delete it 1 9s are 9 minus